Well, this is done. His air filter, clean, S&B. It's a good filter. I recommend you guys. I did the oil, and of course I have to clean it with some kind of special degreaser they sell from AutoZone. Ram elbow, I recommend it. Nice and clean and shine engine. Ooh la la, beautiful. Now let's turn it on. Let's do the test. Now let's try it. Let's try it. Let the pump work. Let the pump turn on. Woo. A little bit of shaking, which is normal. You hear the sound? Woo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful. Beautiful sound. Clean like a pin. Finished product. See you guys later. Vlogscore loves you and Rafis loves you. Have a good one. Beautiful, beautiful.